If you are an agency owner, a coach, or you run an edtech business, this solution and this video will help you not only save money but also a lot of time, which you can dedicate it to other high level tasks that would contribute to the growth of your business, right? So what is it exactly and what can we do for you? We're talking about customized AI powered automations, which can be personalized for the exact platforms, systems, and processes that you use for your business. Here, we are going to go through a particular case study for CourseCREEK, how we have automated the backend systems, and what exactly we achieved, the problem statement, and how we can do the same for you based on your platforms, systems, and processes. So let's just go right in and discuss what is a problem statement here. So anybody who is a prospect, first the first step of interaction with CourseCREEK is by scheduling a meeting with the executive Robert Lunte. So this is a Calendly link that they get. They fill up this information and schedule a link with the executive. Now, once this is done, someone from the agency, a VA, or even the executives of the agency take all of this information manually and save it across lead generation and lead management and CRM systems, so that every touch point is documented, which will help the sales team right down the road to close the deal. This process, as of as before we implemented the automated system, was manual. So it was susceptible to not only probability of human errors but also cash outflow from the agency's reserves, right? So let's go through the problem statement, like what does it involve doing the things manually in your business. It will cost you manual labor and processes like manual which cost time and money. Manual tasks increase the probability of human errors. Of course, if somebody is taking the you know uh, all of the details and manually copying it to some other platforms, there's of course they run the risk of having implemented errors within the ecosystem, right? The agency needs to hire a VA, right, to take care of the repeated, mundane, but extremely important tasks which lead to regular cash outflow from the business, right? Or seeing how important the task is, you as the executive of the agency need to spend countless hours every single day to complete, lead management or anything else that you would probably spend your time on. The executive could have spent this time on other high value activities. Going by the rate of the North American executive, which is around $250 or around $300 if you're an executive. So every hour you spend doing manual tasks and copying information from one platform or one system to the other, you are losing around $250 per hour. Let's fix that. So what did we do for CourseCREEK? When prospects books a call using Calendly, when prospect fills this up information using Calendly, what happens is that there's an AI automated filters and processes which are running in the back end for 24/7 without fail. There's no delay. As soon as someone fills this up, the AI processes are running at the back end. It collects all of the data, filters the data based on some particular filters that we have used, and then feeds this data directly into the CRM and lead management software, in this case which is Pipedrive. If the prospects email, whatever email they provide, if now what does the automation filter do? It checks if the information exists within the CRM system, right? It does not take any step. But if it does not exist, it creates a new person and related organization field and update it automatically based on the details shared by the prospect. A new deal is created using the data provided by the prospect. The deal is marked, the status of the deal is then marked as meeting booked. This is extremely helpful for the sales team or the closing team who takes the call to close the deal, right? So all of the information needs to be shared with your sales team. All relevant information is added to the deal section to make it extremely easy for the sales team to close the deal. How does this work? We will have a look at the entire process now. Let's say that I will put a share ch, right? I'll just put the light name as meeting. I'll AI meeting and Shivansh at AI meeting and virtuallaunch.com, right? And I want to do a Zoom call. Phone number, I'll provide an arbitrary phone number. How much are you willing to invest? I'm willing to invest, $20,000. VLO, LinkedIn.com says person. All websites, I'll just put in at www.facebook.com. Business model, my business model is ABCD. Have you created any course content? Nope. Are you migrating content and data? Nope. Which marketing services are you looking to explore? SEA and paid meta ads. How did you hear about CourseCREEK? I heard about CourseCREEK from Facebook. I'll go ahead and schedule a meeting. So yeah, I've scheduled a meeting. Let's go and see. I'll receive a automated email from Calendly, which is part of the normal process. Nothing extraordinary here. Okay, so we have the meeting invitation here. Let's look it up. The name I've provided as here is ShiftCH meeting, right? And all of the information that we have provided here is in here. You can see all of the information that we have provided. Now, let's go to the client CRM system and see how this process works. Okay, so here we have. Let's bring this up. Let's zoom out. Based on the information that we have provided, you see everything, all of the information has been updated automatically by the AI systems which have filtered and organized the information. My name provided by the organization name followed by the dash. That's how we save the deals at our client's end, right? And then we have the name of the person who booked the meeting, we have the name of the organization where the person works in, and every information that has been provided by the prospect, phone numbers, emails, websites, everything has been mapped based on the information provided by the prospect and has been meticulously formatted, has been meticulously organized and mapped to the particular field of the CRM system. This does not matter whatever CRM system you're using, the AI platform can take care of your system as well, right? So in this case, it's a Pipedrive. Not only that, we see that the meeting booked. Since the meeting is already booked now, right? So you'll see the meeting booked. And to make the process super easy for the sales team, what we have here are the notes, which provides exactly all of the information that has been shared by the prospect. So the sales team or business development team can just have a look at it and know exactly what the client wants and close the deal. This can be updated or managed, or this can be changed based on the questions that are available on Calendly. Everything will be updated inside this notes section. So this process used to include human intervention, include people who would work on it and make sure that everything is moved over from one system to the other manually. There would be time spent and there would be money spent to make sure that the system is running. But as of today, this system is entirely automated, working 24/7 on its own without the need of any human involvement. What is the solution here? So it's fully automated the process of lead management inside the CRM, right? Saves the agency lots of money which would otherwise have been spent on paying VS. Eliminated the probability of human errors in the workflow as the process is now fully automated. Saves the executives precious time which can be focused on other high level activities. Now, it does not matter which platform, systems, or processes that you use. Our customized AI powered automation system can automate any process that you do on a daily basis where you spend significant time or money. We can automate it for you. Thank you. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you out.